everyone, welcome to this video where we are given the PQRS is a parallelogram and T is on the point on RS such that it is perpendicular, PT perpendicular to RS, and some of the sides are given. Find the area of the parallelogram. So let's zoom in here, okay? So area of parallelogram, right? Is actually equals to the base times the height, where the base must be perpendicular to the height. So that's the key. And from here, I saw this. This is perpendicular to this. Okay, which means that I could use 13 as the base and 6 as the height. They are perpendicular to each other. This is important, huh? And that will allow me to find the answer for this. Done. Now, I'm going to just make a quick copy of this and bring it down. So to explain the next part here, now that we know the area is 78 cm square, is there another way I can find the area of the parallelogram? Do you see that this is also 90 degrees to each other, perpendicular to each other? Which means to say that, anyway, this is parallelogram, so this is 6.5 cm. Which means to say that I could use this as my base and this as my height as well. And they will also give me back the same area, 78. Okay? Because all we have to do to make sure is that the base and the height are perpendicular and the base is one of the length of the parallelogram. So PT times 6.5 will also give me 78. And that's how I get the value of PT, 12 cm. And for part C, where we are required to find RT. So let's go back to the diagram again. I'm going to just copy this out so that it's easier for us. And move over. So let's stay focused here. Find RT. I only know this whole length, which is 6.5. Aha. If I know ST, I can find RT. Okay. And therefore, I will need to focus here already. This right angle triangle that I've just highlighted. Okay. So that will allow me to get this ST. I need to find ST. And I got 13. From the previous part, I got 12. So I will be able to find ST by applying Pythagoras Theorem. 13 is the longer side, ST is one of the shorter side, and therefore, when I apply it, I can easily do this to give me 5 cm. So now I know that ST is 5 cm And the whole length is 6.5 cm. How do I get my RT? So my RT is simply 6.5 minus 5, 1.5 cm. Okay? The blue minus away the purple to get my green. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.